XRP purchasers and Ripple's relationship. Furthermore, XRP has been trading below its all-time high for the past 5 years, and 7 months building up to the possibility of setting a new record. Finally, according to Ripple CTO David Schwartz, digital currencies, such as XRP, have the potential to replace the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. XRP is currently in a correction phase after finding adequate support at the 60-cent level. The altcoin had a 3-week decrease. The previously mentioned support, which coincides with the 50 Fibonacci retracement lines, provides purchasers with a stable platform from which to renew the positive momentum after losing 36.5% of its value as it fell from a high of 93 cents on July 13 to a low of 59 cents. Should you take a dip in this pool? If another wave of purchasing pressure drives XRP down below 60 cents, it would imply that buyers are accumulating at a lower cost. This demand pressure may produce a few trading days of sideways movement, giving buyers a chance to re-establish strength. However, a possible break of the 66-cent barrier would serve as the first indication of a rebound exponential moving average. The fact that an altcoin's price is trading above its 100 and 200-day EMAs indicates that the overall trend is still bullish. The purchaser's 40 RSI slope indicates that they have enough momentum to support a positive turnaround, whereas the Secretary's request to submit an interlocutory appeal against Ripple's success has drawn the attention of cryptocurrency legal specialists that the SEC requests permission to appeal to a judge. Annalisa Torres' ruling last week on Ripple's unlawful sale of XRP and other token distributions. Remember that Judge Torres determined that neither transaction qualifies as an investment contract, particularly after applying the Howey test to the third difficulty as a reasonable expectation of profits from the labors of others. The Tories found that average XRP buyers did not expect to gain directly from Ripple's initiatives. As a result, she determined that planned XRP exchange sales do not constitute securities. The SEC, on the other hand, recently asked for permission to appeal the judgment after expressing its disagreement with it, causing legal experts to speculate about the probable outcome of the appeal, since the decision was made in a recent interview with CoinDesk. Michael is selling a legal company lawyer. Regardless of whether investors are anticipated to profit, Wilkie Farr and Gallagher offered their voices to the issue. Directly from the initiative of Ripple, Attorney Selleck predicted that the SEC's attempt to overturn Judge Torres' decision on programmatic sales would be hampered by the common enterprise feature of Howey. According to Selleck, it would be difficult for the SEC to overcome the case's common enterprise aspect for these programmatic sales because there is no connection between buyers of XRP and Ripple claim, even if there is a reasonable expectation of gains based on the labor of others. He predicted that Ripple's other XRP distribution case would be decided in the company's favor by the Second Circuit, specifically mentioning that programmatic sales are more difficult than other channels as a result. The attorney suggested that the transactions be subject to additional Holly Prong selling and further stated that programmatic sales and distribution do not ultimately regard XRP as a security. Believe that XRP is still perceived as a lack of security in these types of transactions, while several legal experts have provided their perspectives on the SEC Ripple lawsuits. Common Enterprise Prong of Howey attorney John Deaton, the U.S. The author of Crypto Law reiterated the SEC's failure to meet ordinary commercial criteria. It is worth noting that the regulatory agency initially claimed that Ripple is a common enterprise, but after Ripple revealed that XRP holders received no interest from the firm, it dropped the claim. It's worth noting that the SEC reversed direction and now asserts that the entire XRP ecosystem, including exchanges and all global XRP holders, is a single organization. After the argument was discovered, the SEC stated that XRP is a common enterprise. True, the SEC failed to meet the common enterprise factor. According to lawyer Deaton, even if the Second Circuit found that Judge Torres erred in applying Howey's third condition to each transaction, he projected that the matter would be remanded in this case. That Judge Torres would look at XRP's programmatic sales and other distributions in light of the common enterprise component, which the SEC was unable to prove or conclude does not qualify as investment contracts. In addition, a report on the period in which several crypto assets traded below their record. Livecoin has just released highs. The data correctly reveals that XRP has been trading below its record high for more than 5 years, and Stellar XRP has been trading below its all-time high for the second longest duration among the 30 cryptocurrencies daily CoinWatch highlights. In comparison to Bitcoin Cash, which peaked in December 2017, both assets have only lost 1 month's worth of value. Although the precise value of XRP's record high is still being debated in the trading community. According to data, it is 3.31 cents. XRP's record price of $3.31 was established in January 2018 amid a strong surge that saw it grow by a stunning 1,573% in a single month, notably before hitting its current peak. The previous high for XRP was $0.39, which it achieved in May 2017. XRP dipped below its value as it sank 7 months below its previous record high before reclaiming it in December 2017. However, after trading below the current all-time high for 5 years and 7 months, XRP has been unable to recover it in what appears to be a completely unexpected turn of events. This unfavorable reality, which has hampered XRP's growth over the years, has been attributed to the legal conflict with the US SEC by industry pundits. XRP was unable to capitalize on the previous Bitcoin-initiated bull run in 2021. In November 2021, the bull run BTC reached an all-time high of more than $68,000. Similarly, that year saw the peak of other crypto assets, but legal pressure from the SEC lawsuit limited the price of XRP, despite reaching an annual high of 1.97 in April 2021. After Judge Annalisa tore his judgment on July 13, XRP did not advance any further. The regulatory status for XRP has become clearer as a result of the Secretary's choice to appeal the judgment and the finding that it is not a cryptocurrency. New security has given investors additional reason to be optimistic. As a result, numerous market XRP observers believe that the coin will soon reach a new high. It is, in fact, a well-known cryptocurrency. Analysts expected that XRP would soon hit $8.50. As a result, XRP would hit a new high. As previously said, Ripple focused on the futures market, where estimates of an XRP surge to $896 surfaced within the XRP. However, skepticism exists throughout the community. An attorney, John Deaton, also explained why XRP did not reach $1 despite regulatory certainty provided by the SEC versus Ripple litigation, despite increasing consistency and clarity. Keaton believes XRP will not achieve a new high until Bitcoin becomes the dominant cryptocurrency. The question of the day is if XRP can dethrone the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. Please remember to press the notification bell. Also, subscribe to our channel to be the first to learn about new XRP developments. After a key Ripple executive made a statement regarding the possibility that nations will accept digital assets as a reserve currency, the question of whether two world reserve currencies might coexist was posed to David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, at a recent Twitter discussion held by anonymous XRP community member XRP. Stewie Schwartz responded in the positive. The Ripple CEO based his case on the US dollar's dominance in most nations' reserves, which, according to Schwartz, are different. Countries may be willing to explore various solutions that have resulted in the creation of digital assets, such as XRP. Schwartz provided an insightful point of view on how cryptocurrencies such as XRP may help to change the face of the world's currency. He argued that when nations acknowledge that the US dollar cannot be the sole reserve currency. According to Schwartz, no one except the EU wants the euro to replace the dollar. Except for Russia, no one supports the dollar. The dollar should be replaced by yuan as a substitute for the ruble, but only in emergencies. As a result, rather than adopting a currency ruled by their most powerful political rival, perhaps they should choose one that no one can control, as this is the most likely success scenario for digital assets. When asked how nations could decide on a certain digital asset, Schwartz argued that if the alternative did not involve changing rulers, these nations could be more motivated to participate, but he responded, "I don't. I believe that is too much of a disadvantage if the choice has no employer. If that occurs to generate a lot of cryptocurrency, individuals become wealthy." As a result, this video has come to an end. Finally, if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe. This in turn helps the YouTube algorithm, which helps spread the word about this video to as many people as possible. Let us disseminate the word as far as we can. If you are a genuine Bitcoin enthusiast, don't miss any of our content. We'll talk about the latest news. This has an impact on our entire community.